me, the three biggest challenges in that industry is the open communication. So when we would learn how to communicate openly in different systems, it would make the life in our terminals much easier. For example, there's the tough TSR European legislation, which has the ability that in 2023 we are just only communicating by data coming over rail gates in the terminals. And if we by today would know which train, for example, would arrive earlier, we can schedule the whole terminal plan, how to operate them. And this is by today not possible because we are collecting the data like hours. But if we would like to be openly in communicating even by data, that makes the life for us very much easier. On the other hand, it's the commercial issues. When we think about terminal planning, terminal equipment, investments, we often try to make it commercial. We have to do that, but in that case we often forgot the whole investments, total ownership, and in that case it is often, for example, in that safety issues that we take the minimum of technology to make it safe, and that it's not often the proper one which makes it really safe. And that is as well the biggest challenge. The third challenge what I see, that we're automating more and more. We have fully automated terminals, which is without people, but in most cases we have semi-automated terminals, or in the inland terminals we have less automated terminals where we have a lot of employees, people, truckers being in the terminals. And for that we have just the biggest challenge that we still have lacks in our safety, in our risks. And with that combination that we have, just to be commercially on a level to make it possible to get new equipment, retrofitting, it is just bigger schedule to have it really in the proper way. Because not the cheapest safety technology, for example, is the one which is for 100% or 99% minimizing our risk in the terminals. We have to see it from two different ways. When we think about in digitalization, automation, we are talking about today and even on these conferences about artificial intelligence. The AI is just one topic, but if you see what we're doing today, 10 years ago nobody was thinking about having remote control key cranes, even in gantry cranes. So remote controlling and the next step of remote controlling, this is for me as well the way how to bring the next step in this industry. So when we combine remote control with the things we're seeing by today coming from industries like Apple, etc., from the smartphone industries, how to use smartphones, how to use our gestures, etc. This is for me as well the next step, how to make it ergonomic. We have still a lot of stress for our crane drivers by today. How to reduce it? We bring it back right now behind the desk in remote control, but even that, how to make it a comfortable way that we are efficient enough for the future and as well safe for all that ways, and in that way as well commercial. That is for me one trend to see that industry. And on the other hand, when we're talking, for example, we had before about safety, there's not one single technology. It's just a combination of technologies from here. When we see that we have laser technologies out, we have radar technologies out, vision technologies, intelligent RFID technologies, it's just a combination. And only the combination of that would bring a really safe terminal operation.